Good morning, everybody. My name is Rafilwe, and I was actually caught off guard to actually say something today. But I just said, you know what, let me just say something that might help somebody out there. I work for OpenServe, previously it was Telkom, and I've been here for like 18 years this year. And I was introduced to iFundi, I think it's a year and a half ago. And for me, I must say the experience was quite short. But very, very challenging, informative. And I was actually about to ask, so that we can learn more, because with our age and the gaps of not learning a lot, personally, I needed more of the course that I did, which was cybersecurity. But I must say it was the most great thing for me because I'm not an IT person. I've never studied IT. And I was actually like so frustrated throughout the course. But what made it more nice is that, when you are inquisitive and you are willing to learn, the people who teach you something, you can even know or hear, even if you're on the other side of the computer, that this person knows what they're talking about. So I must say that I have learned a lot from all the facilitators that, they know exactly what they're doing, what they're saying. And yeah, for me, it was quite a good experience, I must say. And right now, I'm actually practicing every second day with CompTIA for my exam. I have to write before August. But the things that I'm learning now, I'm practicing all the practice materials, and it's a lot of work. Cybersecurity is a lot of work. Right now, I'm somewhere in the middle of learning a lot of things that I never thought I'll ever learn, you know? So, yeah, I'm really grateful that I got this opportunity with you guys. Keep up the good work and keep on helping other students and people who are working, who actually wants to upskill and do other things that are very, very amazing, because IT is everywhere and IT will never die. There's a lot of things to learn. That's one thing I've honestly realized, that there's a lot. AI is here. There's no way that you can go wrong with IT.